Hello, today we are going to present you another financial model which is e-commerce B2B Excel Financial Model. This financial model is for business who provide their services in e-commerce industry. This financial model helps to work more efficiently in your financial transactions and your financial management. The Org Business Consultant provide your financial model for your business to fulfill your business and financial needs. It contains financial statements and includes profit and loss on monthly and yearly basis, cash flow statement, balance sheet statement, and along with some relevant information which allow your business to get deep analysis of your financial model. Moving on to input sheet. As you can see, the key area where you can add your specific information of your business. It includes a starting date of your business, further investment, other assumptions, revenue assumptions, profitability margin, loan schedule, payroll, operating expenses, marketing expenses, capital expenditures, accounts payable and receivables in days, and inventory. Moving on to revenue analysis. The revenue analysis of 60 months, 5 years includes your total number of customers and total number of orders. Here we have total number of customers is 800. I'm going to change to 900. As you can see, the whole data has changed according to my assumptions. You can change according to your assumptions. Moving on to startup summary. It is the estimation of how much investment required for the business, and it enables to know about the variable and fixed costs. As you can see, the graphical representation of expenses and funding and cost analysis help you to analyze your startup summary. Moving on to depreciation and loan amortization. It contains all kind of your fixed asset and includes your equipment, office, furniture, and other fixed asset, and graphical representation helps to analyze your depreciation schedule. Moving on to loan schedule. The loan schedule allow to analyze the amount paid to their lenders and interest expenses. Moving on to profit and loss statement. The profit and loss statement shows the financial position of your company, and it includes your revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, all kind of your expenses, total expenses, EBITDA, depreciation, interest, tax, and net profit of your company. Moving on to cash flow statement. It shows inflows and outflows of cash in your business. It includes operational activities, investing activities, and financial activities. Moving on to balance sheet. The balance sheet shows the financial position of your company. It contains all kind of your assets, equity and liability, and asset calculation of your fixed assets. Moving on to break-even analysis. The break-even analysis shows the revenue need to meet the break-even point. It contains fixed costs, variable costs, and break-even sales. And graphical representation helps you to analyze your overall performance. Moving on to sensitivity analysis. It contains total orders, EBITDA margin, FCF conversion ratio, and further it includes your actual data, and you can compare it with your pessimistic and optimistic approaches. Moving on to project evaluation. It contains cost of capital, investment from loan, initial investor, company valuation, value of the company in which you will have your IRR and net present value. Further, it includes share in equity, burn rate analysis, minimum investment required, and payback period. Moving on to dashboard. The dashboard shows the overall performance of your company in graphical representation. It will help you to analyze your business performance in graphical form. Moving on to diagnostic tool. The diagnostic tool contains gross margin as percentage of sales, operating expenses as percentage of sales, profitability as percentage of sales, cash flow and net cash flows, and do sales exceed break-even point. Further, it includes the diagnostic tool graphical representation in which you will have operating expenses as a percentage of sale, gross margin as a percentage of sale. This is the